Hi guys, this feels weird because this is the first time I'm properly sitting to talk to the camera, like about my thoughts and not telling you what I'm doing and showing you where I'm going. Feels like I'm doing a mid-wedding check-in. This is what it is. So far, I am just so done with it. It's not easy. Oh my god. It's just so much stuff. And like every category has 10 subcategories. I really didn't think it would be this hectic. Or maybe if I'm planning for someone else, I might enjoy it. But I am not an easy client for myself, if I can say that. Because I'm just so particular and I want to know every little detail. But there's just so much stuff and it's so expensive. It's so expensive to get married. If you have a choice, just get married and do a low-key thing. Like if that's your preference, I would say you're lucky. But I'm in that jhula of like, oh, I want to do it. If I'm doing it, then I want to do it properly, or I'll do it like very low-key. And then the other side of the swing is like, is it too much money being wasted on 3 days? But is wasted the correct term? I don't think so. It's an investment in a lifetime of memories, which I'm hoping are mostly good. And I hope that everybody just has a good time, enjoys, and when they go back, they just think like, oh, it was a fun 3 days. That's my hope. Another thing that I'm very, very stressed about is things are not moving according to my timeline. And again, that's, I think, an elder daughter thing. I have just planned and mapped everything out in my head, and it's just not working in that timeline. And majorly the fact that we haven't gotten a house. We don't have a house. According to my timeline, we were supposed to move in to the house, because then when we would come back from the wedding, we would be able to go to the new house directly. Now I don't see that happening. So you must have seen the clip where we went to see the house. And long story short, we actually finalized the house. Everybody loved the house. Astrologically, my mom was very happy with the house. It was just too beautiful. We paid the security deposit, we paid the token amount, we finalized everything with the owner of the house. We went to IKEA to look at wardrobes. We were speaking to carpenters to get like furniture made. Like we were so excited, and I had planned everything for the house. Like I had thought about every single room. I had just thought of everything. And we were about to sign the house agreement, and the owner changed his mind that he wants to sell his property. And because now he would sell it to somebody and then that person would be the new owner, we didn't have assurance of like having the house, because that guy was asking for a much higher amount. Just that the amount difference now was higher and it didn't make sense for us, and so we had to let go of the house. So yeah, I was sure that we would move in by now and get stuff done and empty my room and pack everything, but now we don't have we don't have a house. That was my check-in. I'm sorry it was a little long, and I hope you're enjoying everything you've seen so far. Guess what? Another day, another outfit hunt. We are out looking for Addie's mehendi outfit. It's literally not even a month, guys. This guy doesn't have a mehendi outfit. So we just went to a store and we've really liked one particular outfit. It's like a very nice pastel icy blue color, and this is actually for the mehendi. I'm wearing red and he is, I mean, his was a question mark. My stylist Dola and I both like that color, but we were just not finding something ready-made. And I have to mention, men's clothing, like men's even like wedding outfits, it's just so blah. Like there is no variety, there's no fun, there's nothing exciting. And I feel like everyone mutually has agreed that the whole attention is on the bride and everybody just cares about what the girl is wearing. We need to change that. Like the focus shouldn't just be on the bride but the groom as well. But it's just that something too expensive for guys just doesn't make sense. I'm like, really? For a kurta, you have to pay 70,000? What? We just stopped.
Mango matcha for you, madam. So sorry.
What's this treatment? I'm not a matcha person, but when I want something to drink in the evening, I choose not to have coffee. I limit myself to 1 cup of coffee, and matcha is like a good in between the day type of a drink, like a filler drink. It's fruity matcha. Do you not think कि wedding looks में bridal outfits पे ज़्यादा focus रहता है and grooms का कोई?
Think क्या? This is a fact. तो known चीज है.
He's hurt, guys. He's hurt. Please comment on Addie's outfits also.
बंद गला लेना है थोड़ा सा long ₹1,00,000 मांग रहे हैं सीधा.
Simple outfits are too expensive, and it's just that it's not unique enough. For
₹1,00,000 तक कितनी crazy watches आ जाएंगी दो जो life long चलेंगी.
is in his watch era, guys.
सन में दिखा नहीं दिखा, it's okay. It's just for the
and
element.
it's not as dark. दूर when you're standing far, बहुत dark. When you're coming आगे आगे थोड़ा सा sheer हो रहा है. You can see me now.
और पैरामीटर कोई.
Oh, sorry.
And you just see the.
छोड़ो आप देखो.
हाँ, you see.
ना तो is more than enough.
हाँ, इसलिए किधर?
This is for 6 people.
It's 15th of November 2025. I'm going to Delhi tomorrow, and when I come back to Mumbai, I'll be a married man, and I just can't believe how fast all of this has happened and is happening.
I'm showing Isha my mehndi references. I have to give context, but to people, because they'll be shocked when they see my mehndi. I don't like mehndi at all. Like, I don't like the smell of mehndi, so that's why a full hand तो I can't even imagine.
Oh,
like
this you should.
हाँ, something ऐसा type का ही है, not this back, but like front.
Like you want ऐसा बीच में एक patch and then fingers पे.
मेरे को भी लगानी पड़ेगी, पता है मेरे को तो कितनी नफरत है मैं उससे, मेहंदी की स्मेल से, पता नहीं क्यों.
बहुत गंदा लगता है.
Are you going to do that? Search Addie's name.
इसमें क्या
इसमें ऐसे दिख जाएगा.
देखते हैं, बट हम कर सकते हैं इसमें भी.
Things में ए लिख देगी कहीं पे
लिख देंगे ना, ढूंढते
ये
रह
सब-
जाएगा पूरी.
Now these all things जितना भी क्लीशे बोल लो, like मजा ही आता है.
असली फन यही है भाई, मतलब देखा जाए तो.
वो कब करते हैं वो ऐसे
वो जब शादी के बाद जब घर के अंदर पहली जाएगी तो
रिंग डालते हैं.
कोई एंगेजमेंट रिंग ही डालता है.
फिर एक और चीज you have to decide is the मंगलसूत्र. We're going for a very minimal. All my brief for everything is minimal. Minimal मेहंदी, minimal this, minimal ये.
Yeah, but minimal ही करते हैं. क्या जमाना गया वो heavy चीजें करने को. ये ज्यादा होगी,
है ना? This is too many.
You can have even 1, 2 and बीच में this and plain chain.
My idea is one for the cocktail night only we can keep. ठीक है? It's like like a binder book. What is this? A book? The guest book. And then so yeah, like one prompt can be your advice to the married couple or a love whatever, your message to the married couple. So then we keep the Polaroid, they take their own photo, वो अपना message लिख देंगे, and then they see their picture and they stick it on that. How creepy does this look? She can dance.
Yeah. एक मिनट मंगलसूत्र.
डिसाइड नहीं करना है, जो सब
So for example हम ऐसे किए, ठीक है, मैं ऐसे करने गई और तू ऐसे करने गया, कैसे लगेगा वो?
मंगलसूत्र.
ये सब डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते यार भाई, वो मैं इतना
एक रफ प्लान डिसाइड. It's not called planning, it's called choreography. हाँ.
ठीक है.
Because suppose
ऐसे ये बात सेंस बना रही
कोई हक करने चला गया, कोई ऐसे करने चला गया,
Yeah.
अजीब
है.
awkward लगता
मैं तो
है.
अब करने वाला
हाँ, मैं भी. Done, decided. हम लोगों को सॉन्ग डिसाइड करना है अपने एंट्री में.
हूं. भैया
It's such a amazing song, like वो song पे ही मैं रोने लग जाऊँ.
Which song?
तुम्हारा पंजाबी सॉन्ग में क्या होने वाला है? कॉकटेल में भी एक एंट्री तुम्हें कैसे करके आने का? इट्स नॉट डन.
Like you see this with woo.
But you all be certain bride and groom ना.
शादी के दिन तो इसको डिसाइड करना है ना मेन. मैं तो ढोल के साथ आऊंगा, सीधा बैठ जाऊंगा आके जो भी करना है. कॉकटेल पे हमें डिसाइड करना है कि कॉकटेल हम साथ में आएंगे.
बट पंजाबी वेडिंग का भी एंट्री का सॉन्ग डिसाइड करना है ना अभी.
चल मिट्टी.
Is there any choice?
तो स्टेट्स का चूज कर, बढ़िया एकदम. क्या करना है.
बट तेरे को जिससे गूज़बम्स आता है, तुझे जो रिलेट करता है, that
और पंजाबी वेडिंग ऑल्सो ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक
Anything you wanna work together.
अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो फिर एनी सॉन्ग दैट यू लाइक.
हाँ, नॉट ऐसा समझे. जब बजे तो तुम लोग को अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
आई तो फील लाइक साउथ का ये
It's
बेस्ट
perfect.
है.
हम लोग बचपन से बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में. Even I have been telling that.
तो स्लो
थोड़ा
डाउन.
फास्ट है, जो थोड़े वॉक करते हुए.
तेरा नी मैं लवर.
नहीं हाँ दैट लवर पागल. टेलर स्विफ्ट का लवर फॉर द फर्स्ट गाना. पंजाबी सॉन्ग पंजाबी वेडिंग में क्या गाने यूज करते हैं?
ये सभी करते जी निशा गुना, ये सब तो नहीं करना है.
नहीं, that is not तुम लोग का कोर नहीं है.
Do you want to do like वो कलंक का टाइटल ट्रैक वाइब्स ऐसा कुछ?
मैं तेरा. Are you a Kudmai girl?
No.
That is that.
I cannot lip sync. I cannot dance.
No lip sync, no dance, no steps.
ऊपर नजर भी नहीं उठानी है. सिंक ये सब क्या बोल रही है? मैं और कौन जाऊंगा.
Imagine Addy is like,
Like I cannot do.
plain walking.
Do all this.
You smile and you come.
You do
just
what you want and come.
My fiance, when he comes back to Bombay, he's gonna be Pati Parmeshwar. I'm gonna see Addy in a few days. I'm going to Delhi
End
in 3 days.
End of an era.
This is the last time he's sitting in my car as my fiance.
This looks really nice.
Yeah. So this is going to be the upper body, down. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we stick you to the same duck satin for the lower body, which is this one, the one on the right.
Okay.
Of course, we'll match the colors. You don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Great. So this is approved.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to message Donna that this is approved. She was so worried. She found she was not like the fabric in person. So something like this, but in circular.
Circular.
Yeah. And we can also trim the trail. Based on whatever you're comfortable. Yeah, we can make this detachable. So like for pictures and initial part of the event,
Yeah.
you can wear this and back as the
And
line
take
goes
it
down.
off.
You can, yeah.
तो ये डबल डबल है ना दोनों. सारे ब्लैक वाले भी डबल है ना. बटन बटन भी.
यूरी यूरी जाओ. यूरी
लूज है क्या?
इधर इधर.
Dolly. Wow, wow.
इसको खरीदा से कोई मिरर के सामने लेके जाओ कोई.
ये क्या है?
बड़ा बेटा, छोटा बेटा.
Euro doesn't euro.
Okay, मैं बेचारा.
Wow.
ओहो.
ढोल वाले, जल्दी आओ.
एडी करना.
को देख के यूरी जैसा बोल रहा है. आइए सांबर.
खाना लाया है भाई, खाना लाया है.
Whoa.
सब कुछ जाएगा अभी लोग होंगे.
It's very delicately draped.
Hi guys, I think it's been very long since I've vlogged like this, but we have officially entered the final stretch. I'm getting ready because we have dance practice starting today. I have just come back from the gym. My steps are still on. Over 10,000 steps every day. I'm still eating in a calorie deficit because obviously we're getting closer to the day. Just doing my skincare and stuff for dance practice because I also have a meeting before practice and after practice. After practice we actually have a wedding related meeting. We are going over the North Indian wedding render. So they do like a 3D video walkthrough where you can see the layout of the hotel, where the mandap is, where the seating is going to be, where the dinner and the food is going to be served. So we've done that for the cocktail and the mehndi function. I actually don't know if my meetings are video calls or audio calls, so a lot of the times I just prepare in case everybody's like, okay, let's put the camera on. Obviously having a bad hair day, that's why my hair is slicked back. And this is what I've been using for the past few days. Been obsessed. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick in Spice Gold Gambit Ring, which is my step tracker basically. And I was so done with the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is just ugly in my opinion. Anyone that cares about aesthetics would just understand what I mean. And especially because I shoot and go out and dress up for events and stuff, the Apple Watch never matches any of my outfits, and it just is such an eyesore when you look at someone and they're wearing such a nice outfit and they're dressed so nicely, and then there is one big giant watch on your hand. That's why I wore this.
So the first line goes ek lakh left right no right left full right later ye mera left hai na and you do it then. They see like a tease. They see girl.
And what a piece of chicken.
Ek lakh par they see girl. 2, 3, 4. Left, right, right. हाँ, because we teach you. See, this is what
क्या है hands पर वाली
your edge.
जिसका हाथ में लग गया
It's 7 days before we leave for Delhi, and I am on my way to my first trial of the wedding outfits. Everything's being made from scratch, so apart from the North Indian wedding, I haven't tried on anything on myself. Like everything is being made, so I've only seen them in like fabric swatches and sketches. I haven't actually worn anything. This is the first outfit that I'm going to wear, which is the Mehendi outfit. Anushka, who is designing the Mehendi outfit, is actually the only designer from Bombay. All of the other ones are from Delhi. We are flying to Delhi day after for a day just to go do my trials and then come back to Bombay. And then we fly again in like 3-4 days for the wedding. I'm actually very excited. We're going to try on the outfit and also try and finalize all the jewelry while I wear the outfit. The outfits, I think, are my favorite part about planning this wedding. Yeah, that's what I enjoy the most. There's no electricity and Dola and I have shown up in the same top. I don't know how this has happened. It's so funny. Pants also look so nice. I'm so happy we did red.
and all red.
Yeah, all red, yeah. Like all of this also, like the pink a little bit in the middle looks so nice.
No, but we need height. We need height. Yeah.
Do you want to add the ghungroos to this?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So should we add it to this?
Yes, please.
And then we'll just do the tasseling on the
Done.
the
Ends.
garara.
Done.
Do a really delicate one like
Yeah,
this.
love it. In
Yeah,
silver,
in
right?
silver,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, cool.
And then for these two I'll leave as it is.
Right.
And this one I'll just attach the
Ghungroos.
silver and gold ghungroos.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Lovely. Are we happy?
Yeah.
Important day. Final wedding trials. This mirror and the lift is so dirty. It's 6 a.m. I need to get in my flight.
Can't be clones of each other. You have like how Ashna and you sat down, literally. What does couture mean? I mean, couture means this: you took a dupatta, you attached a choli, and you said, "I want to take the risk. I want you to combine these three with your aesthetic." We all agreed, came to terms, and that is what couture is. You sit down, you plan your dream outfit, you get it made from the designer you trust, and you enjoy the process. I think that is what weddings should be all about. You cannot just be, oh, some designers set a look and
Someone's worn it and
I want to wear it, and you're like a cookie cutter mold, looking like clones of each other. Break through the monotony of being boring as a bride,
what I want to do.
and we're gonna do something good.
How's the fitting?
This is beautiful. Especially this new edition now.
I just thought it completes the look.
So nice in the pictures, right? And that's what I was telling everyone. Like when you see this in person, you'll get it. Right now, pictures and videos are not doing.
I think the fitting also seems quite
Quite
perfect. Yeah.
Even this, the edition that we did for
It's
the
looking nice, no, for the depth.
yeah, it looks beautiful.
So subtle, and it's just what it needed.
Ashna will try come a lot of jewelry pieces, and then we'll have a final look.
Tie my hair up.
Let's see how it looks. Let's see in the mirror.
This side.
Yeah.
Guys, now for your hair guide also, like I'm there.
I am basically stalling Aditya to not come here and come in yet. He cannot see her.
But do you want him to see you?
Now, no. Not until no. I'm saying if you guys want to match us, we'll put like no parda.
I feel, yeah, the shape, yes.
Something is getting squished. I don't know.
True that. I know. I agree. I think this looks better. It frames the
Framing
face.
wise.
Yeah, the face looks better. See, that's what the beauty of jewelry is. You can
There's
try.
different things for different. I really like what this is doing right now for your forehead.
Very pretty.
I love. With the thing here, pehle wala, with this and this, I felt like my face was being sandwiched.
right?
It's a lot like contouring, but with jewelry.
Like you'll have to layer this one.
Yeah. I guess after seeing the previous, the window is like spread. I feel like this now is shrunk. Like,
Can we try this?
okay.
I love these white stones.
Yeah, the white also looks
Because it just breaks all the color completely.
It takes an army for a bride to get ready. This one. This one.
So good.
See how everything changes when jewelry changes.
Yeah.
So jewelry is a very essential part of
This is
the
also so
wedding attire.
This is stunning.
But Ashna, I'm also of the opinion that I think the tika looks better. on you.
tika
This
is
frock.
same.
Tika.
This and this
Guys,
I
what
feel
do you
like
guys
is
think?
the
Mark tika
combo.
and this
This
together,
combo
the
looks good.
combination.
Yeah, looks
Yeah, I
better.
love it.
For sure.
Mm-hmm.
It's really more youthful, I think.
Definitely.
You know, I don't
Because we
think
were never
need
planning to do very heavy bangles.
We don't
Yeah.
need to.
Like, see, I had
Just
added
like
these,
one thing to
but
sort
this
of
is
Yeah,
like
so we'll do just like
to just put it together.
I'll do a nice set and send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the groom is here. What's up, guys?
You look nice.
Thanks. Yeah.
Very Parisian. So,
Ah,
Delhi winters का
तूने किया क्या?
Styling
Try?
is
हो गया तेरा?
मेरा हो चुका है सब.
But तू मेरा देखी कि हो गया?
नहीं मैं नहीं देख रही. मतलब मैंने आउटफिट देख लिया.
I think देखना तो
देखो नहीं
चाहिए.
देख रही.
देखना तो चाहिए वैसे. क्योंकि मैं और किससे पूछूंगा कैसा लग रहा हूँ मैं क्या फील है.
Dollar was like sorry.
डॉलर तो है ही of course, but ठीक है तू मत देख मेरा. तू भी मत देख मेरा.
Lost a lot of weight.
How are you?
Good, haven't you? Have you?
Yeah, I have.
Oh my god, my Shehwali is going to be floating, guys.
He's nervous. He's like,
I'm
what
nervous.
is shoes.
Okay, let me tell you something. All these girls have seen the outfit and they went gaga over it. Now it's time for the final reveal.
Yeah.
And trust me, guys, I'm gonna say on this camera, but this is a groom who trusted me with his life. He's like, I trust you, just make it, and never bothered. He'll never talk in measurements.
उसमें में तो I have no like doubts or anything. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Yeah,
If you
उसमें
trust
कोई
me,
doubt नहीं है.
just give your measurement. This should be on record. If you trust me, ask him to just give his measurements and just come on the trial.
Yes.
What a good guy.
Historic groom, I must say.
Thanks, guys.
Let's go. Should we try?
Yes.
How do you
Reaction,
like the color with the dhoti? And that's the outfit. Well, I just want to do a very unusual color. Very, very
It's looking
unusual.
very nice, very beautiful.
And there's so much going on in Ashna's outfit, like 6-7 colors. I wanted to do a color which would be like extremely cohesive, but still stand out as like
This is not what I expected. Like I expected pink, but this is so much better.
This is so much better. Yeah.
Let's
Love
try
it.
it. And
Try
then
it.
there's a kurta and then there are matching shoes.
And there's a business
Such a
Oh, that's the kurta.
I want my version of those
That's the
shoes.
casual. You can be after you're done with That's the kurta, and I've done a dhoti.
I love
And I'm sure he's going to set a trend with dhotis.
Dhoti, I didn't see. Wow.
With Ramayan coming, I think a lot of grooms will prefer dhoti, and you have to be like the first one for me.
Wow.
I'm so excited. I have goosebumps right now. I do.
Just
very
make him
exciting.
try the whole outfit. Let's see this.
So,
Yes.
are we ready?
Big reveal, yes. I rarely style weddings, but when I do, I love collaborating with people like him. You know, the funny thing is, my first wedding client, I think I told you this the last time I was here at Fittings, she wore Rimple in her breath for her main day, and I didn't even know you back then. So I just feel like the universe keeps.
I think there's some synergy.
There is. The one bride I've ever styled in my life. We came to Delhi. I had no idea about what I'm getting into, what she's wearing, and she wore a Rimple in her breath
Thank
outfit.
you.
So
Many more to come now.
absolutely. Wow! Are you kidding me?
It's very loose.
Are you
Yeah, it's
kidding
very
me?
loose, but it's looking very nice.
Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, actually it's looking very, very, very
I'm
nice.
obsessed.
Maharaja energy? Maharaja?
Yes. Oh my god.
The lungi can fall anytime.
It's your dhoti.
Yeah.
Love the color on you, the work, the
The work is very
dhoti, the
beautiful. The work
Thank
is
you.
very beautiful.
I'm so glad.
Second best decision after like.
This is what happens when you trust.
No,
people
I have to hear this.
job.
It's the best decision after.
Second best decision after like marrying her is the first best
Oh,
decision.
the
This is
second
second. Yeah, of course. Of course.
Long live the marriage and this association.
I think यहीं से गाड़ी में बैठ के मैं जा रहा हूँ जिम को अभी.
Wow, Adi.
Okay, we'll definitely need to go size
Yeah.
smaller. You really lost weight. This is on your old measurement though.
Yeah.
Actually, it was falling really well, but I could see it bit
Yeah,
loose.
थोड़ा loose.
Look at this, na ये भी loose हो गया पहले से. But this is fine because in
कुर्ता
case you put
होना
on weight or
चाहिए
anything,
ऐसा,
yeah, this
कुर्ता
is
tight.
very wearable.
Yeah.
It's just
This तो I can different. कभी बाद में भी I can wear like.
मेरी groom को नजर लग जाएगी. Go and change.
Where is the bride? Miss Bride, I have to say that you look beautiful, but I think Adi looks even better. I cannot wait for you to see him in it because you've seen the outfit, you've not seen him in it.
She's saying he's not ready to take the
He wasn't. He's like, मुझे ऐसे ही जाना है, मुझे अभी जिम कॉलेज जाना है, मुझे अभी भेज दो. And the reason why I say this is because neither of us knew what we were getting into.
Yeah.
We were here on the day of trials, and Ashna was getting her outfit from Rimple and Harpreet, and Aditya hadn't decided where he's getting his main outfit from. It took us 10 minutes. Actually, yeah, we just walked around, and Rimple's like, you know what? I'm gonna do both your outfits, and yeah, just give me your measurements. And they took a while. They went out. He had a smoke, and he's like, Dola, should I go for it? And I'm like, yeah, go for it. I trust her. I love giving artists the freedom to do their thing because when there's too many opinions on an outfit, like they say, too many cooks spoil the broth. I'm always against doing that. You've just got to trust people to do their thing, and this is what happened today, and it's worked out.
Anything, it was also like his belief.
Yeah,
Because he was so
yeah,
chill about it.
yeah.
I was like, I would have freaked out if I didn't know what I was.
Wearing
And then I just had
until a week before the main day.
This is
Guys, we're
literally
like
a
like
week
countdown
before.
before the yeah.
It's a week before the wedding, and he's just seen his outfit, so he has some.
He's
different
happy, so I
level
think
of
we're trust.
composure.
I love that.
He's like, "ठीक है,
You're marrying a real one. I love that for you.
We've been serving bride and groom looks forever now, and this is my first time where the bride knew exactly what she wanted, but the groom was honestly clueless. And the only thing which the groom went away with was, I trust you, just give me the best outfit. And the reaction you guys can see, I think he's overwhelmed and happy, and that's what is our biggest achievement as designers when the bride and the groom go with their happy, smiling faces.
This is for their South Indian temple wedding in the day, and he's gonna be in a mundu, right? Lungi.
Yes.
And she's gonna be in a traditional Kanchivaram sari. So this is us seeing it for the first time, me including. Let's. Oh. This is the pallu. Insane.
Wow.
This is so beautiful. He's gone all in. Like, I'm in shock. I didn't know what to expect. Like, handwork, I was like, huh, but I don't know what it's going to look like. This is so nice. You're literally gonna look like an idol in the temple. Like, the gold. Wow. 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 Are you kidding me?
The pleats, like we need to figure if we want
The draper is gonna make it tighter. ये तो अभी बहुत ही casually drape हुआ है. How do you feel? Love the work?
Yeah, it's insane. See
Oh,
the
the
blouse?
hair with the
See the blouse?
wow. Oh, beautiful at the back.
All handwork, guys. Handwork. This was a plain sari. Think of like just fabric. Zardozi work throughout.
look.
Sorry.
ये मुझे पहले डालना
Yeah, guys. Something like this. This is giving.
I want this first. I want to layer.
We are going in the right direction.
But out of all the groups,
Should I do one more layer? Henna? I feel like it needs to be layered.
one more layer. ये भी लंबा करना पड़ेगा नायशा सारी चीजें.
I've planned everything just to dress up. This whole wedding is only for me to dress up. It's not for anything else.
Done. We're very happy.
Just getting a husband at the end of it.
The blouse and I think
And these outfits.
Okay, now we have no business slit yet in the back. Yeah. Okay. So not carefully, huh? How we leave the slit in the back? You have another length and all.
And the length.
it's best to have extra eyelash.
You know, yawning is contagious. No, everyone in the room is gonna get one by one.
Somehow I.
Woken up very
Say
early.
yawn, I will.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move on.
We've been up since
यहाँ पे एक mark लो.
very long.
Like mark लो.
five years.
Oh wow. Are you guys coming back tonight?
No.
Thank
God,
God.
when
Okay.
not. Now imagine you booked it on the same night.
Oh, you'd be exhausted. Anyway, कल का दिन
Exhausted,
waste ही
you
होता
wouldn't
है.
have been able to make it.
Yeah.
ये वाला placement बहुत ऊपर है, ठीक है? Even आशा भाभी
Yeah,
का
it needs-
ये आना है, जहाँ पे इनका waist है.
ये जो
और
और
ये कपड़े को और इसको
Tight.
tight होना पड़ेगा.
No, but this is a proper pleat. Now I'm saying I don't want a proper pleat. I needed to literally drape. ये पता है? Like
ये वाला देखना
neatly,
लग रही है,
yeah.
ये वाला लग रहा है मुझे मजा
So then
नहीं
you
आ
can
रहा.
just
Oh,
do
yeah.
this.
Yeah,
Just
I
this.
love that. I love that.
How narrow it is, I'm not liking it.
We can make it less, as much as we can, but the
I
fact
mean,
that I can see
currently-
fabric here, I'm
Yeah.
not liking.
Currently it's here.
that's there.
We can go like slightly here.
But it's still giving a very costume feel. I don't
Well,
know.
can I
It
see
looks
sketch
very
now, shall I put it up?
I
like
also like it broader only, I don't know.
broader, but I'm just saying like
But it's technically not possible.
Yeah.
With the halter
Because
neckline,
last
yeah.
time our thing was cap sleeves.
Yeah.
this place is also
Wow. Love the color on you. Fun.
and the work also
Beautiful.
very nice.
Where is this from? It's from a designer. It's
Cora.
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 Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
It was ready
Stunning
piece that
outfits.
we saw. It was beautiful. Love the moment we saw it. I was like, I love the
है ना?
work.
मतलब
Very
And I
nice.
feel like the red outfit with this
Very
is
stunning.
very nice.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है? मेरे को तो बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. ये तो ऐसे था देखते ही मुझे पसंद आ गया था तो मैंने ये खरीद लिया था.
love.
एक बार fit wise
I love.
fit wise fine ना.
Everything.
You look amazing. This color is a little working for you.
Colors fun. He's doing some great colors for the entire wedding.
Yeah.